Hi guys. Let's start with cut URLs. Cut URLs is a URL shortener. Requirements to join the cut URL shortening network. Do not reduce content-based URLs for adults, which may be threatening, harassing, defamatory, obscene, contain viruses, child pornography, abuse, harass or violate human rights, or spam a website or blog with the link from the site. It is also forbidden to bring automated traffic on your links. The account will be automatically terminated. The viewer must click on the link itself or use pop-ups, pop-under, the redirection loops, the creation of multiple accounts, one account per person. Cut URLs in payment. Publishers would be paid on demand via PayPal, Payza, Bitcoin, and Payeer. Minimum $5. The plus of cut URLs URL. Sponsorship fee of 20%. Low payment threshold. One-time payments. Real-time reporting system. Cut's URL rates are comparatively high for US, German and European traffic. If you want to earn an interesting cash bonus, then do not hesitate and click in the link in description. That's all for today. See you in another video.